Hello! So, winter time again na naman. January 2021. At ang mga bata ay gustong mag-sledding. So, they can just go sa backyard namin. And then, we have like a pile of snow. You can see. Look how fun they are.
Okay, ready?
I think Selena is around 1 year old here. And Mateo is 4 years old. So, sige. Ano yan, wala silang sawa niya. Like, paulit-ulit lang silang ganyan. Oh, I think what happened is nalagyan si Selena dito ng ice. That's why she cried a bit. And look. Iniwanan niya yung kapatid niya.
Oo. Yung makapal kay...
Again, iniwanan
Kasi
na
si
naman
Selena
niya.
lang,
And
hindi
Selena
tayo-
is just looking. And another one. Na yan, nagreklamo na yung kapatid niya. So, yung tatay niya, binuhat na siya. There you go. Yay! She did it. Look, she's happy. And another one for Mateo. Hindi talaga sila natatakot. Well, hindi naman yun masyadong mataas. So here we are. After 3 days, sledding again sila sa backyard namin. So, just for the note, like, hindi naman nilalamig yung mga bata. For those na oh, snow, baka nilalamig yung mga bata. As long as complete yung gears nila. Like, for them, naka-snow pants sila, may jacket sila, yung gloves nila, yung hindi yung cloth. Para kahit tumawak sila ng snow, hindi siya mababasa, may toque. And sometimes, naglalagay sila ng neck warmer din. So, they can enjoy outside from kahit na gano'n sila katagal dyan. And Selena is very active. She's only like 1 year old and look how really like she wants to do it. Very matapang na bata si Selena. I guess second child na kasi siya. So, she knows pretty much whatever yung kuya niya ginagawa. So, yun lang. Bye for now! See you on our next vlog.